welcome to my channel. Like, I just came here on YouTube. I just erupted. So yeah, boom. Like, guys, so my name is Lily, which you guys probably already recognize because like my channel name is just Lily. So unless you guys are mentally damaged, I think everybody knows that my name is Lily, because there's no such name as just or it's. So yeah, and if you guys are wondering like why isn't it with a Y, because my name is not Lily. My name is Lily. So yeah, guys, so thank you for being on my channel, and this was it for this video. Bye. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. I'm not gonna like do this. So today is going to be my first video, and that is gonna be a room tour. And my room is always like a mess, but I thought like this is like the most tidiest zone my room has ever been in, so why not do a video, guys? Why not do a video? So today it's going to be a room tour. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's jump into this video. Boom. Bam. Yeah. So this is my door, and then I have just like a little thing in. So let's step into my door. So yeah. So first thing first, this is my door. Nothing decoration on it. But yeah, there's some out there, nice swatches. And yeah, so this is my room. It's not that huge, but I like it. So straight to the door, if you look on the left, you can straight away see my backpack thrown on the floor because I hate school. Yeah. And then here's my bed. I'm going to explain it later, but let's move on to this part. So I'm going to show you guys my nightstand. So basically this thing is a really long story. So I got this actually like a week ago, and oh my god, I loved it. I was like, I need a new nightstand. Because actually I did not have a nightstand until now, which is kind of amazingly bad. So I got this one from IKEA, and as you guys will see further on this video, I have a lot of stuff that I bought from IKEA because we just went there like a week ago. So yeah, and they're actually pretty cheap. So yeah, this one is called Nordly, and I'm gonna spell to you because I'm the spelling bee. Nordli, because Nordly sounds like it's like Nord and then Ly, but no. So I just got this one. Oh my god, what's happening? A world is erupting in the back of me. So yeah, I chose this color. There was red, and there was this because my favorite color is neon yellow. I know this is not neon yellow, but it's close to that. It's really light, so I thought, let's just do this. And then here I have the most harmful, the most torturing thing in my whole room that wakes me up every morning. It's called my clock. So yeah, this is like the worst thing in my room ever. I would like stab it and stuff, but I can't because I would probably just get expelled if I would be late every single time in the year. Yeah. So yeah, even though like I would torture it and like kill it, I can't because it's helping me in my future. Yeah, and then I don't know where I got this from. I got it for Christmas. This was probably the worst Christmas present I could ever get. Because, like, who wants an alarm clock to wake them up every morning? I don't. But anyway, it's kind of useful because, well, yes, it helps me to get up and stuff. So thank you, the person who got it me for Christmas. I have just a hair bubble because, like, I never know when I want to put my hair up. I have a candle just to relax. I got the candle from IKEA, and I got this little case of it and Zara Home. I got this thing. I got this kind of pot from a kitchen. I don't know why. It's just glass. And then I got this super cool life hack from My Life is Ava. She's so good. She's my favorite YouTuber. Wake up in the morning and then you smell this thing and you're like so energized, and it worked. It's super working. So whenever I smell this, it just wakes me up in the morning. And then I have my little light. It's really tiny, but I like it. It works really, really good. Like, it has a really, really strong, there we go. And I also got this from IKEA. So yeah, and then if you guys are wondering what's in the cupboards, so in the first cupboard, I have just the stuff that if I can't sleep, these things entertain me. So a notebook if my ideas go erupting, because like it's usually night when like all my ideas come in my mind and I'm so excited. I can't go to sleep and I used to wonder, why am I so excited in the mornings and why am I so excited in the nights when I should sleep, and why am I unexcited when it's the morning I should wake up for school? It's so annoying. Anyway, so I have this notebook. If my ideas are erupting and they're exploding in my mind, I just jot them down. And then things that are entertaining me. So I got my iPad and my Beats, because like if I can't chill and just sleep, I listen to some music to chill me down. And then I have some books. As you guys can see, I pretty much love John Green, because all these 4 books are written by John Green. I have The Paper Towns, The Will Grayson, The Abundance of Catherine, and The Fault in Our Stars here. And I also have Baby Lips if my lip get chunky and dry at night. So yeah, that's pretty much it here. And then the second cupboard is kind of like the mess cover, like the what the heck cupboard. So I have a candle, I have all my phone cases in here, I have a ribbon, a bow, I have a like an earplugs and my charger in here so you don't get all tangled. And then I have this kind of empty box. They were actually supposed to be my phone cases in it, but I have so much. It's an obsession, guys, that it doesn't fit in there. So I don't know, whatever I find there, I just put it there. Yeah. Oh, and if you guys are wondering where I got it from, this one was from Butler's. These 2 are from IKEA. These cases are, well, this one is from Apple. I don't know. I don't have time. Yeah. Like, duh. Okay. So, up here is my mirror, because, like, as you can see, my door is here. So, I'm just mumbling right now. So, as you can see, my door is here, and so, in the school, I'm, like, so hurrying, I'm late. I just have a quick check. Everything that I'm wearing is super cool. Let's go out the door. We're ready for school. So, this is, like, a quick check on makeup, outfit, hair, stuff like that. So, I'm all rocking and ready to go to school, man. And then here and I got this one from IKEA too, because it's matching with my nightstand. Like, how cool is that? Then I just have a necklace hung up here. I actually got this for my birthday. That is today, guys. So happy. And yeah, I got this for my grandpa. And I just hung it up there because I didn't want it to get tangled with all the other ones. Because it's special, guys. It's special. It's so special. Yeah. And then, I can't talk. Next to my nightstand, I have my bed. So, yeah. My bed is just, like, not a bed, it's just a mattress. But I don't care. It's comfy. And then I have just, like, trash all over here. I have my dear little, I don't know, polar bear or something. And then I have the big polar bear. I have 3 pillows. These small ones are from Zara, and these big ones are from Butler's. So the actual funny story why they're matching, they're actually from 2 different shops. So I bought the small ones first, which are so soft, by the way, at Zara Home, and I was like, oh my god, perfect colors. And then like a week later, I went to Butler's and I found the exact same colors, except for these 2. Well, they're both blue, but I don't. Like, look at this. These things are similar, like, damn similar. So I was like, how could I be so dumb to not buy this? So I bought it. And then I got these covers from, I think, IKEA. And then on the top, I have these kind of decorations by IKEA. And then I have this kind of thing from Butler's. So this is actually a Christmas tree decoration, but I was like, gotta spice my room up. So yeah, and this cable actually leads right over there to my plugger, so I can plug it in and make it light. And then I have this kind of so cool thing from IKEA again. And then I just have pictures up there and stuff. And then, yeah. Then here's the massive mess of my bags. And yeah, it's kind of like obvious that my bags are tangled. Like, there's nothing really much to explain about bags. Yeah. Then I have my old backpack up here. I have 2 gift bags because it was my friend's birthday and it was my birthday. Yeah, and then here I have my chair I got from Vitla, and just like a towel. Then I have the smaller chair I also got from Vitra. I have this desk that I got from my birthday. I freaking don't know where the shop is. I'm sorry, guys. I really want to tell you guys like where I bought it, but I can't because I got it as a present. And then here I just have like Sharpies, books, stuff like this all lying around. And this is the thing that I'm afraid to show anybody in this world. Like, look at this, guys. Like, this is like a terror. Like, what is this? This is like basically the worst thing like you could ever imagine in your life. Like, this thing is like so freaking weird. There's like everything in here. It's like the randomness of randomness. Like, what? And then there's an exact same thing like that. Let me just zoom in and show you guys the terror. Like, what? This is so terrible. And then I just have a buddy shop. Oh my god. It's freaking stuck again. And then I just have this buddy shop guy because I went to Vienna for my birthday. My MacBook case, and like random stuff laying around there. This is my bookshelf and my kind of, I don't know what. And then here is the biggest mess in my whole room. Oh, don't forget these super rockin' Vans that I got for my birthday. Bags for my birthday. And yeah, this is my desk. So this is where I keep all my makeup. Other makeup. Randomness of randomness. Random, super random stuff. Random. Totally random stuff. And then I have my closet. And then this is, I think, probably the best part of my room. So, yeah, Lushbox is super cool and stuff. But look at this, guys. So, over here, I have a magnet board. So, I got this thing from IKEA. Like, all this cool stuff in my room I got from IKEA. So, basically, this is my magnet board. So, I got these magnets and stuff also from IKEA. Basically, everything that is... coughing. Everything that is on this thing is from IKEA. So even these papers are from IKEA. This not, but this too. Obviously not a Sharpie from IKEA, but this too. So basically, this is where I keep all my things. I just put them on the magnet board. Like, school is tomorrow, guys. Terror. So I just put it on because I've been on the skiing holidays. Then I just have my magnets, and whatever an idea comes, like, film a video. And I know it's, like, written super ugly because I written it with my right hand because I was, like, I don't know. I think I was, like, calling someone or something. I don't know. But, yeah. So, I think we could take this off. So, I got these super cool magnets from IKEA, too, along with that. I think this is super cool and stuff. So, I like it. Yeah. Did I forget anything? I don't think so. So, yeah, I think this is it. So, this is the overall look of my room. Yeah. I really hope you enjoyed this vid because I definitely enjoyed making it. It was a super experience. I hope you guys like my room, even though it's a pig style, like so messy. I just thought I would share it with you guys, and it would be a super fun idea for my first video. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited, like I'm bursting into excitement. I'm gonna film another video right now, man. Right now. So guys, I'm so happy, and thank you so much for like, I don't know, like thank you every single person that is on YouTube, because you guys inspired me to do this channel, and I hope you guys liked it. Please guys, subscribe, spread on the news I started my video, because I really want this channel to be successful. Thumbs up this video, comment down below for video request, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you, and yeah. So, it was so excited to film my very first video on the day of my birthday. I was born for this. So, yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget again to subscribe, comment down below, thumb up this video, and yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, a great year, a great century. Boom. Like boom. Boom. So, I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye! Boom. Get it, girl. Did it, girl. And now, here comes the bloopers. Do you think I should wear a, burp? I just farted. So don't forget to do, I just farted again. Shoot. Oh, darn. So I hope you guys, this thing smells, like my farts smell. Boom. Boom, boom. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. No, I look like overly attached girlfriend right now. I'm just so like excited, like a excited bomb. So guys, I hope you not doing it again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below video. Comment down below video. I can't talk. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just acting so weird right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, subscribe guys. Like, subscribe. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm mumbling again. Like, I need some text, man. I need some text. Can't talk. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below video request. Video quest. Video, yeah. Don't forget to comment video quest. Like, Lily, like, chill. Like, lay on your bed and, like, sleep for an hour because you're freaking off the track. What am I doing with this hand? I don't know what to do with my life. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. 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 Boom, boom. What is wrong? It's another universe, verse. Okay, bye. Boo! Bye. Seriously, bye. Boom. Got it. Bye. Totally random. Bye. See you next time. Bye. What is in my backpack?